So we're gonna see funny stuff. Alright. Let's just...
You're stressed?
Huh?
What did you say?
Nothing. I'm gonna watch funny videos, man. Funny videos. Alright. Why isn't it working? Man. Man. Oh, wait, let me sign in. Fresh model chip. Somehow it's like I'm just gonna log into my account right here. I'll be right back. Okay, so there you go. We're gonna be doing a funny video called animals making funny noises. Oh, it's gonna be so funny. I've seen one and it was so funny. Yeah, this is the one. So enjoy this one. It's so funny.
Ow.
Sleeping.
Ow. I hit myself.
This how we...
Oh
Wait.
gosh. Brian, can I put water in here?
Oh.
Flower in here, really? Aww. Why'd you do that?
That's so funny. And I'm not lying. These people, they're actually making a noise. Like,
No. I don't know who that is. Why are people going into my house? This is my house. Get out. Can somebody find me a sign?
You just record this.
Can't find it. Oh. Duh. I didn't get it yet. What is your name? B-W-E-L Done. I can't pronounce your name. No. Wait, who's talking? It's pay to play. Yes, I got it.
So,
Not available right now.
You're really something else.
Where's the
Step on my finger.
It's time to. And now I expect you to leave because you don't like talking to us. Dude, we talked before.
Dude.
Sorry.
Put that for you guys again. So he touches him, and he says, "Don't touch me."
Sorry.
Thank you guys for watching. I'll do part 2 of it.
Thank you.
And bye bye.